Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna finally return on Toyota Highlander. I don't know how many of you remember this 2015 Toyota Highlander. I thought it's a 2016, but it's 2015. So what happened? Let me recoup you what happened on. Basically, I got stuck with the headliner. I installed it, and customer told me that he actually wants to do something with it. So it took him a time decide what he wants to do and find the rest of the parts of this vehicle. So it's been parked for half a year. I haven't even been touching it or doing anything with it. So he finally called me back and said, hey, let's move on the Toyota, find some parts, and also let's get the brand new headliner, which is over here. $1,200 later, it's here and the car is ready to be finished. But in order for me to start working on it, you can see how filthy it is, how dirty it is, sitting in the backyard for half a year. I'm gonna get the pressure wash it, and then gonna get into the garage, get the cracked headliner out. Yeah, I know, I told him, and what happened exactly what I said is gonna happen. But anyway, let's get it over with it. Let's finish it completely. I think I have everything to completely knock it down. Let's finish it, get rid of it, forget about it, and let's move on the rest of the stuff. I still have lots of projects that needs to be done, and also BMW. So let's roll in this episode. First, let's get this old headliner that I installed previously off, and then let's throw a new one in. Should be simple. That's it, all this work is for no freaking reason. Anyway, but looks promising to be installing this one. Looks like only 2 connections over here. That's it, rest of the connections over there. Should be pretty simple process to install it back together. Plus this thing sits on their place, they don't go nowhere, so the headliner will stick to the roof itself pretty good. So moment of the truth, let's install it and see how everything looks. Kira! Kira! Tick, 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 tick. Stop. Tick, 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 tick. Alright guys, let me give you a little bit update. So as you can see, headliner back in place. I went ahead and installed all the handles. Everything looks great. Also you can see I installed that peeler piece. Sun visors, this one I could not install. This one over here is broken, so probably have to glue it. But there's another thing that's broken, is this piece. So and because of that it doesn't want to clip in, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So now, since I would say front end almost complete 100%, all I have to do, pull out the module and drop it off so it can be reset. But right now what I can do is I can install the seat belts. Finally I have different seat belts that I ordered, and after installing these seat belts I should be able to install the side panel, because I'm done with the roof. I'm gonna have to find probably go to dealer and buy two those what are they called, they're called Christmas tree or whatever clips, and they're supposed to be gray in color, plugs there, and that's it. And over here I still have to tie this down. Same thing on the other side. The headliner should be completely done. And like I said, side panels, all that I can install, and hopefully today I still can install rest of the interior, like the seats and everything else. We'll see how far I'll get today. Let's just keep grinding. Guys, it's the next day here. Let's just finish assembling this Toyota. What's left is install this over here, this over there, and then seats time. Back row, middle row, and basically that's it. But before I'll throw the seats in, I'm gonna clean everything out, wash the panels, wash the whole side, because it's gonna be way easier to do that while there's no seats. And also gonna wash the seats off of the vehicle, and also I'm gonna use that leather thing that makes them shine, and then after that I'll throw them in and gonna put the plastics on top of rails to cover the bolts. So with all this information, let's continue and finish this project now already. That's it, I'm done with the seats. Now they look nice and shiny. This way is a lot easier to prepare them over here. It's easy access, you can get to everywhere, wash them and preparing completely. So now what's left is put them back there, put the bolts in, put the covers in, and that's it. But before we can do that, let's wash it and do some exact process inside over there, and then stick those seats in. And I would say interior gonna be complete 95%. I still need to install the airbag module and still haven't got it back yet, but the rest of it's gonna be done. So now let's go wash it inside. Seats finally back in, this plastic's back in, everything is ready over here. So detailed, all that you guys know. So what I need to do is detail this bottom, this side completely, the back side of the seat, this rest of the vehicle. But before I'll do that, I need to finish assembling everything over here. With everything means this thing right here, this thing right here, this thing right here. This is from the front, front also, and front. This is all the back. So let's install everything that belongs over here and be done with rear section completely. Also wash them and apply this stuff. What is it called anyway? Ultra shine, protect, anyway, polishing, the leather polishing, whatever that is. And the rear end is gonna be 100% complete. And then we'll jump at front of the section of the vehicle. Anyway, front section of the vehicle off of the interior, I guess. Install a mirror, detail, and let me go on other side since this door holding. I need to find the bolt to put this one. I don't know, it's missing. And also need to install this, which I have it over here, brand spanking new over here. See, I still need to install the module back. Module is gonna be done Monday, but something like that the customer probably gonna have to install it himself. That wasn't a deal between me and him, actually pulling it out, deliver it to a guy for clear the coats off of it and put it back. That was an initial deal, but I'll put this plastic back, maybe not this, maybe on other side, and leave this one alone. The reason for that, and actually I can install it, then I can install this. I don't know, we'll see. I'll hold off on it, I'll think about it, talk to customer what he wants to do, and maybe just gonna leave it like it is. But right now let's just finish this section right here. I'm 100% done back half of the vehicle. This door, back seats, everything is over here, been washed, and also applied this special thing for it to be looking a lot cleaner. The trunk is fully assembled, everything is back, everything looking good. So now task is front half of the vehicle. Clean it, vacuum it, wash it, then apply this thing and vacuum it, and see what can I do over here. Also need to figure something out with this. Just continue doing it. Also install this. First I'm gonna start with this side door. I need to put the mirror back, which is laying over there brand new, and reassemble this door, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. That is a plan for probably next hour. Just begin. Something happened, I lost the footage, but hey, I brought the vehicle to a customer. He could not come to me, so I'm making him a favor. It's all done, it's buffed out, it's 100% complete. Check it out. I buffed it, cleaned it. This thing is fully complete. Check the interior. Oh man, beautiful, right? Looks so good. It's like brand new vehicle, brand spanking new. Hey, we went together through this journey. I should have stopped by at the car wash, but hey, that's it guys, the journey is over. This Toyota was giving me headache, yes. Was it difficult? Kinda, yeah, maybe, no, but was it worth it? Yes, it is experience. So we're done with this journey. That's it. I'll catch you next one with the next rebuild.